Good morning, Suman.
Good morning, Shale. Where are you going, Shale?
I am going to Ranchi, and where are you going?
I am going to Tata.
Very well, we shall have the company up to Tata. Have you bought your ticket?
Ticket? Nonsense. Why to spend money in buying a ticket?
Oh, a horrible idea. Without ticket, it is bad to travel without ticket.
Why?
If all follow you and travel without ticket, the railway will suffer a great loss.
Why care for the loss of the railway? We shall gain. Our money will be saved.
But how will the railway pay its staff, build new coaches and provide amenities to us, the passengers?
Well, this point deserves consideration.
Another thing, the railway has arranged for special checking. A magistrate with armed constables arrests ticketless passengers, fines them heavily or sends them to jail. Suppose you are heavily fined.
Exactly so. I may run away.
Very dangerous to think so. You can't escape, there is a surprise checking. A cordon is put round the train.
Is it so?
Yes.
Then it is wise not to travel without ticket. Let me purchase my ticket.
Hello.
Is this 22,233,177?
Yes, it is.
May I speak to Billy?
Just a moment. May I know who's calling?
I am his friend, Jesus.
Hold on for a minute. I'll call him.
That's all right.
Hello, Jessica. I'm sorry Biley has just gone out.
When is he expected?
He should be back in an hour. Will you leave your number? I'll ask him to call you up.
I'm calling up from a payphone.
Then would you like to leave a message?
I think I'll do that. Tell him that I'll collect the papers from him tomorrow. Do you know whether he has the papers with him?
No, I'm sorry, I don't know.
In that case, I think I'll call up again after an hour.
I think that would be better. I'll tell Biley you had called.
Thank you. It's very kind of you.
Thanks for watching us.